Just walked in. A lot of... Oh! What was that? All right, so we just walked into the
Botanical Gardens.
Yes, yes.
This is one of the places in Singapore that was globally recognized by the United Nations something of like historic sites. So this is the first place in Singapore that ever did that.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah, I forgot what the acronym is, but yes.
Nice, nice. A lot of flora and fauna here.
Really becoming one with nature.
Yes. Have like little facts about each one, which is really cool. We'll let you know how this goes. All right, so about 5 minutes into us, it started raining. We're about to go into this enclosure here, and we will wait out the monsoon.
So true. So true.
Hey! Looks like it's a Komodo dragon or something.
No, I don't think it's
I don't know what that is. What is that?
Is there something?
No, bro, it's got something in it. It's like it's got a tongue. Yeah, but alright, let's go the other way. That's crazy.
Walks away.
That's crazy. Okay, maybe we should go
This way?
Yeah.
Tried to eat an ant.
Very colorful.
I know.
It's like 8 different colors. Okay, alright. That's cool too. This chicken thinking it's a whole human.
Look at that golden hour.
Does he have food or something?
Please don't come with this.
Oh. Bye.
Bye. Please bye. Please bye.
Just finished going through the Botanical Gardens, and it was very nice. We saw a lot of cool plants, flora and fauna, as well as some crazy looking like
animals,
like
reptiles,
lizards, dinosaurs, you name it. See, you even see a little chicken over there who somehow escaped the Botanical Gardens, but so far so good, and it's really cool because there's an MRT station right here. So we only have to walk a couple steps, then we're ready to either get on the train or we can wait for the buses out there. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share with some of your friends, and make sure to click the bell in order to get notified of future uploads. See you.
Bye.